Hey guys, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, you guys already know what I'm going to be talking about, and yes, it's going to be about hair care, about my hair care. So I'm going to show you guys what products I use, what products I like, and yeah, so before you guys head into the tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. If you guys want to know all about my hair, then let's just jump right in. Have a shirt on. It's just a tube top. This video is a little different. Just got out the shower. You guys always ask me on Instagram, like, what is my hair care? I do have very long hair, but I did chop it off a little bit, so it's super healthy right now. So the first thing I want to say is wash your hair like every 3 days if you can. Let's start off with shampoo. I'm going to show you guys what shampoo I have on. So I don't have no one to help me take a shower and everything's all wet and I don't want to bring it out. So this is what I wash my hair with. It's a 10 shampoo and conditioner. I have another one that I love. I use this one right here, and this one is really good because it's a clarifying shampoo. It's going to get everything out. It's going to feel so clean, like so super clean. I've always been super obsessed with hair mask. I love hair mask. I feel like it's super important because conditioner, yes, it makes your hair soft, but the hair mask, this one right here, it's a 10 one. I love It's a 10. Like, you're gonna see that I love It's a 10. Like, so my favorite product from them is their Miracle Leave-In product. It's a leave-in conditioner, and I've been using this for about, I don't know, like since 2009, 2010. I've been using this product forever. It smells freaking good. Like, I think that's what gets me. It smells really good. But it makes your hair really nice. It's this one right here. This is what I put in my hair. I concentrate this one towards the ends of my hair. And just like kind of massage it, you know, the tips. And I just play with it a little bit just to like get it everywhere. And then I'll go on this side too. So now that we have that in there, it smells so good. I just love it. And the hair mask smells exactly the same. It just smells so bomb. And your hair will smell bombacious, like for reals. So now, okay, so I use this heat protector, but my mom took it because she loves it, and I've been using that one, the Beyond the Zone, forever, like forever. It's amazing. But what I have right now, and I've used this since high school, it's Tresemme. I know this is a really bad brand, but this is the one I use right now until I buy the other one. And so just spray it like towards the ends and stuff. And we're ready to blow dry our hair, okay? Alright, so the hair blow dryer I use, all my hair tools are from Foxybae. Foxybae, all the way. I love this stuff. So I'm going to mute this, but I'm going to blow dry my hair, okay? So now it's completely dry, and I feel like I should have wore a shirt, but I mean, I did wear a shirt, but it just looks, I hate that you can't see my shirt. So now that we have that, I'm going to straighten my hair. This is the straightener from Foxybae. I love this stuff. Like, I love Foxybae. Like, I'm telling you, like, it's my favorite. I vouch for them. What I love about this, you just turn it on, you just press that button, and it heats up right away. Like, it's starting to already get hot. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair again with this, just like the ends, because, you know, just a little bit. Okay, so I never put oil first. Like, I don't know, I just don't like to put oil in my hair when it's wet. Only if I'm going to air dry it, that's fine. But if I'm going to blow dry it and straighten it, I like to put my serums after. Once I straighten my hair, I'll show you guys which ones I use. So it's already freaking hot, and I'm just going to go ahead. I don't go like all the way to the top because I still want volume in my hair. So yeah. So that is that. It straightens really fast. And honestly, I never get like split ends and stuff. I always take care of my hair. I love to take care of my hair. And I do dye my hair. I dye my hair blue black, and I use like the ones from Sally's like the box dye, but the Sally ones. I don't know. I used to love the Revlon one because it was only like $2, $3. But girl, after I use that, oh god, my hair is like toasty, like fried. And it just looks so ugly and it's just really nasty towards the ends of my hair. And yeah, so can you see the difference? One side of my hair and the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna just straighten my hair. So now that my hair is straight, I like to keep a little bit volume on top, like I said, so it kind of still looks like a little bouncier, you know? It feels so soft, like I could literally run my fingers through my hair without getting knotted. So now that we have that and my hair straightened, now that we have that, so I use this Loma Nourishing oil treatment, and I got it at my hair salon, so I don't really know where to get it. I just know, like, I'm sure like hair salons should have it, but I don't know. So this is the one I use, and I honestly love it. I have this one too from Paul Mitchell, and it smells so freaking bomb. But you know, the whole little thing that it has that makes you lose your hair, I don't know. I don't even know. Honestly, I'm not the best at hair care. I just want to show you guys what I do to my hair to keep it like healthy, you know. But this one smells so bomb. Like, I'll probably just use it right now. I just use it because you can get this one at any store. The other one you can't. So I'll just take this amount, just like a quarter size, and just rub it all over my hands. Then I'll just kind of go through my hair, you know, with my fingers. It smells so good. To give it that shine, because I still want shine. So I have it all in my hands, but I'm just kind of running it. Don't put it on the top of your hair. Don't put it on the top, because I don't know, it's gonna make your hair greasy, and then you're gonna have to wash your hair the next day. If you want to, that's fine, but I just don't like it. Now that we have that, I have a lot of flyaways. I don't know if you guys could see, but I have a lot of flyaways. So I love this. I love Bedhead, okay? So Bedhead, it has this after party smoothing cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. I just put it on top of my hair just a little bit, but it's for your hair. Okay, so I just take literally the smallest little bit, go like that, and then kind of like not going over it like super hard, but just like at the top, just a little, like slightly kind of touching it, but not touching it, but touching it. I don't know how to explain it. You're good to go. Wow, I feel like a brand new woman every time I shower and I do my hair. I feel like that bitch. So I'm gonna do my full face off camera, and then I will be right back. All right guys, so I am back. So I know I look crazy. This look is either up on my channel already or is gonna be on my channel soon. So but yeah, so don't worry about this. This is talking about hair. We're talking about hair. So the products that I used, honestly, they work amazing for me. I love it. And the straightener, you guys, is bomb. Like, all their hot tools are bomb, like, period. I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. If not, just make sure you guys, before you guys head out, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye guys.